In this video, I will show you how to change your Spotify country. So you might be wanting to do this if you have moved country, but bear in mind the method I'm going to show you will change it permanently, so just bear that in mind. And also to do this, you do need to go to spotify.com. You can't currently do this on the Spotify app. So if you are using like a mobile device, then make sure you open up a mobile browser and navigate to spotify.com. With that being said, let's jump straight into the video. And once you come across to Spotify, of course, you want to make sure you're logged into your account. And then what you want to do is come to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile. And then you want to click onto account at the top. So what's going to happen, it's going to take you to your account page, which is going to look similar to this. And what you can do, you can see if you can change the country from here. So if you look to the left hand side, you want to make sure you're clicked onto account overview. And then you want to come down and click onto here where it says edit profile. So from here, you just want to scroll down slightly and you'll see it says country or region. So if you click on this drop down box underneath, you can see I'm in the United Kingdom, and at the moment it's only giving me that option. I can't change it to another country. So if that doesn't work, there is actually another thing you can do. So if you come back to the account overview page, and what you're going to want to do is just scroll all the way down until you get to the section that says your plan. And underneath here, if you don't have premium, what you're going to want to do is join premium first of all. Once you click to join premium, you can then just scroll down on this page here, and you'll see underneath the payment options offered, you've actually got this United Kingdom and then a button to change country. So all you need to do is click onto that and you can choose your country. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose Egypt, and then what's going to happen, it's going to reload the screen. You can see the payment has changed now to EGP, and if we scroll down we can see our country is now Egypt, and then you would just go through and join premium as normal. So as of right now, the way to change your country is you would need to get premium and do it via this method. But of course, if a update does become available to this, what I will do is pop a link to that video in the top right hand corner of the screen. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then be sure to leave a like on the video to help this video get around to more people. And if you are looking for more tips, tricks and tutorials for Spotify, then make sure you click the on-screen prompt, which is going to take you across to a playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for Spotify. And make sure you do hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be informed and stay up to date with the latest tech tips, tricks and tutorials for everything tech and digital related. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching this video, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.